So here we are in the city that never sleeps, Manila. We decided to do an all-nighter because we just got here, we're all excited and everything like that. But someone's looking a bit haggard now.
Well,
At 5:30 in the morning.
Well, 27 hours traveling.
How many hours?
27 hours of traveling.
27 hours.
Total. Train Newcastle to London and then just a little bit train to like...
How long was our delay on the train?
Hours? 4? 5? Something like that.
And how long was our flight delayed for?
3? 4 hours? Something like that as well.
But the upside to that was we got 3 hours in the VIP.
Yeah, and then we got compensated like 9 quid.
9.
For like a drink or... No, it's not a drink, like anything that you want.
But we got drinks.
We got drinks like
Cocktails.
like a horrible drink in Prince of Wales.
Yeah.
Yuck.
Yeah, we got a £9 voucher for refreshments and our cocktail cost £9.25.
We paid 50 pence, 25 each pence. 25 pence each, 50 pence.
I don't know if I'll be getting any awesome footage this morning. I mean, you can see, even at like 5 o'clock in the morning, you can see, look at this. There's a really good, I don't know if my zoom will do very good, but if I zoom it, like see that plate, that is like probably, that does the best tantamin soup in the world. I might go and have some fun. Rohani was planning to come in. She wanted some breakfast at Jollibee. She's been missing Jollibee. But
yeah, Jolly spaghetti.
Jolly spaghetti.
Jolly spaghetti. What should I do with my money? Wow.
So that's a mango tree.
Yes.
Oh wow, look at those juicy mango. Catch me one, climb up, get me one.
Okay.
Shake the tree.
It's unshakable. What?
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Wait! Where? Alright. Okay, just walk.
Oh, look, the orchidarium. the orchidarium. Yeah. It's the
Joseph loves that.
Look, it's the orchidarium. Oh. Look at that guy just chilling in the water.